fly the balloon. So that's the one you choose. That's the best, mom.
Mm,
Yeah, we can fly one. You can get one.
here.
No, in the house, not here. So choose the good one. That's for lady. That's for mom.
Then bottle is for birthday.
Yeah, that's for birthday. So you can take one. No, it's okay.
No, no.
You don't like it? I thought this is your hobby. You get one. It's okay. We can wish. Okay, you don't like it? Oh, doesn't like it. I still don't want to make a wish with his balloon. So you're gonna wish that. But you need to put first in the car, okay?
That's for birthday.
I know. So later, we're gonna fly that. He's so happy. Michael is very happy. Yay. How about the 4th of July? You don't like it? That's the best, right?
Bye bye balloon.
Mm-hmm.
You guys need to say bye bye to balloon.
Yeah, not yet. You need to pay for that. Remember?
You can't say bye bye to balloon.
Yeah, you can say bye-bye balloon, but not now. You hold it.
Why?
It will fly. And then I'm gonna pay for that now. Come on, we're gonna pay that. Are you happy? Okay, good job. Balloons right now.
Try this.
Yeah, it's okay. You wish. Just check first the. Just wait. Just check first the. No, come on.
Where?
Oh, come on.
Here.
Yeah. Bye bye. Oh my God. Bye bye balloons. Did you wish? Bye guys. We fly that. Did you wish it? Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye balloons. See the balloon is there.